27 now, life moving past me, I can't grasp it. 2 kids to feed, sorry not sorry for acting drastic. Waking up for work, no it ain't no debate, cause there's some folks out here trying to take the food off their plate. The mental stress is adding up, I'm on this beat to release it. When I release it, they gon' stream it and say damn that boy decent. Got a family dependent, so now I gotta move different. I'm pulling up the KGs after work to take the edge off in the 18 pack of some brew. I'm cracking cold ones in the stew, yeah. I got some steam to let off. I chop it up with my NLP homies for fellowship. We share the same passion, we all hungrier than my belly get. People moving shady and be crazy for the hell of it. Gotta keep that 9 on my side like Chase Elliott, cause the family comes first, and to me, their lives are delicate. So when it's you or them, ain't no fuck around like I'm celibate. Trying to escape this cage like it's hell in a cell, and I'm excelling. I only move with some genuine fellas. Yeah, we made it through the storm. We ain't need no umbrellas or no poncho. It's P Mizzle, aka Mike Honcho.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a special one. We're going to Bimmer Invasion, Orlando, Florida. I'm waiting on John to get here, and then we're gonna go pick up Parker in Hickory, and then we're headed to Fort Mill to meet up with everybody for the ride down. So from North Carolina to Orlando is about 9 hours. So we got a little trip ahead of us. It's gonna be a good one though. Hope everybody else gets down there safe. I can't wait to meet you guys. Are you grumpy?
Hey, Karen has arrived.
Excited?
Of course. I'm a little bit nervous, but
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
This will be fun.
Listen, Karen is here, so we'll make sure everything goes well.
thanks, Mom.
Yeah, we got snacks. The only thing I forgot was liquor, so we're gonna
We'll go to the ABC store.
fix
It's
that.
like the first stop.
Yeah.
We're alcoholics. Anyways, guys, it's time to go to Florida.
If not,
Car's looking good today, this morning. Very, very evil looking, dark. And then mine's just looking like douchebag car for sure. Giant Red Bulls. Should I get the 20 ounce or the 12 ounce? That's right. Any excuse to get a 20 ounce Red Bull.
I've been on my own for a while, yeah, I feel it. I can't really trust none of these bitches, now they kill me. I've been on my own. Been on my own.
First time being in the F80.
This dude's never been up before 6 o'clock, man.
No, I have back in high school. Not since then.
Not since then?
Better get comfy.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a long one. Dude, I wish that I was driving an X2 X-Drive 28i to Bimmer Invasion. You think
Might be comfortable.
You think they're going to Bimmer Invasion?
No.
Not going to Bimmer Invasion?
You know where they're going? They're going to South Park Mall.
How's the drive, man?
It's alright. Not bad.
4 hours and 57 minutes left, guys. Look, I up and I recorded everything from this morning in slow motion. What kind of idiot does that? Anyways, obviously we're on the way to Bimmer Invasion, and we got 4 hours and 57 minutes left. Roads suck. I think I highlighted that 10 times. South Carolina, you blow. So bad. Everybody wants to break up our crowd like we're going under the speed limit or something. We're not. Like, everybody wants to try to cut in between us. Anyways, we are making it. He's vlogging right now,
Vlog
too.
to vlog.
Yo. Look, we got the 340 in front of us. M340i behind us. Couple F30s. M4. It's going to be a good day, guys. Good day. go.
Biggest smile on his face right there. He was like this.
We just saw a Supra.
Was that a Supra?
That was a Supra. 3 hours and 51 minutes, baby. Oh, gotta love these roads. For real though, how many times am I gonna complain about the roads on this trip? If I wouldn't have filmed half of this whole trip in slow motion, we could at least tallied 20 times that I made fun of the roads. At least. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Bounce it, boy.
Can't even get it.
We are under 4 hours. 3 hours and 41 minutes.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Barely notice it.
Thanks, John.
No problem, man.
Thank you, appreciate it. That sucks. Probably good. What did I hit, bro? Like, where is it? I went around. I can't catch a fucking break today, dude. Let's make sure that my damn oil cooler isn't leaking. Jesus Christ. Dude, what the f? It is what it is, man.
When you're like a gas station though, like something on the highway, yeah, whatever, fuck it, but the gas station.
God, dude. Guys, I cannot believe that I destroyed my favorite front lip of all time. I don't want to roll up looking bummy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So like, oh man, it hurts my feelings. Like, and in a gas station parking lot.
Out of all places.
Of all places, of everything that we've done today. Shit roads, all kinds of stuff going on. And I mess up in a gas station parking lot. That just makes a whole lot of sense. And me being the guy I am, I'm like driving around all the like little, you know, bumps and stuff like, oh, I see that, I'm gonna dodge that. And then I like hit something that you can't even see like the difference in the pavement. So like, man, I hope that that's like the thing that happened. You know what I mean? Like, because that's just not that big of a deal. But insane. I'm gonna have to go buy a drill. I'm gonna have to go buy self-tappers, double-sided tape, a new lip. Oh man, FML. It's okay though. We'll still be all right.
Everything's gonna be all right. If we were in the E36 or E30, the engine would have fallen out in Columbia, South Carolina. So front lip, not too big of a deal.
Oh man.
We'll be all right.
Welcome to Jacksonville.
Home of the Jacksonville Jaguars. And spot 'em, got 'em.
Youngin Ace, where you at, bro?
Jacksonville, I don't think I'm gonna come back. First time and last time, but yeah.
Jacksonville is not for Parker.
No, not going back.
Yo, one stock F30. One stock F30. That is insane, man. Oh my God, dude. That is insane. We made it to Buc-ee's, guys. We're what, 2 hours away?
Buc-ee's. Yeah, about 2.
2 hours away. How you like Buc-ee's?
Grilled cheese with bacon, so good.
Oh man, this weather. I could die in this weather. What? What are you shaking your head at?
From Florida. High cockroaches. 100-degree weather.
I love it.
Love it.
Oh man,
The smart crackheads moved up to North Carolina.
the smart. Oh, it hurts my soul. It hurts. It hurts. Guys, I think I'm just gonna like rock the broken lip for the rest of the weekend. I'm not smart.
we're all a little dumb.
I'm definitely dumb. I'm definitely dumb. I have an F80 with a wing on it. The fuck?
That's not dumb. That's baller. Baller.
An F80 with a wing on it.
Let's go. Go dogs.
What if that guy was just like, what the fuck you saying?
No, he definitely was like, yeah.
Yeah. He's a dog.
America.
He's a dog for sure.
Exactly.
Less than 1 hour away, guys. I am loving this freaking weather. It's 77 degrees right now. Last time I came to Bimmer Invasion, I didn't want to leave. But I don't know how I'd feel if I had to stay for, you know, like a month or something. But like, after a week, I still wanted to stay. Orlando is dope. Like, the weather, super cool, man. I don't know about old Parker over here.
I've been asleep for like 2 hours.
He's lying, but
I'm lying.
I think he wants to go to sleep though.
I'm gonna lay in bed for a smooth hour and then I'm gonna steal Trevor's car, but y'all aren't gonna tell him. And I'm actually gonna drive back to Hickory and leave it.
Just please do. I'll just get a fucking plane.
Alright.
I'll get a flight. I'll get a
1 hour flight back to Charlotte.
Easy.
Easy.
You can pick me up in Charlotte.
Yeah, I'll just pick him up in Charlotte, like, tonight.
Oh my God, we're 2 minutes away. Windows down, son.
Amazing.
Whoa! Getting off of the interstate.
Oh, already
someone almost just died. That's fuck, dude. What's going on?
Oh, another person.
Jesus. Florida! Oh my God, I'm so happy, dude. I'm not the only one having a bad day. Brian got a puncture in his tire, so he had to go find a tire shop. So broken lip, punctured tire, we're good to go. F80, baby.
We made it, boys. Vlog to vlog right here. 2 minutes away
Oh my Lord.
from the crib.
He's looking. we might not be getting in this bitch. Oh my God, dude.
Finally.
How do your legs feel?
Numb.
We made it, we made it, we made it, we made it. We're just waiting on Brian now. We made it, we made it.
Finally. 10
Oh,
hours later.
10 hours later, man.
Oh,
This is a beautiful little neighborhood too. Wow. Day one. Kind of a success, I would say. Kind of.
Nobody went to jail. Nobody died.
Nobody went to jail. Nobody got in any serious wrecks. We got one cracked front splitter and a blown tire, so I hope Ryan's okay.
Blown tire?
Yeah, he got a puncture in his tire. He had to go find a tire shop.
Wait, what?
Like a full-on like razor blade like was caught in there. Oh really? Yeah.
Dude.
So they're patching it hopefully. He's getting it looked at now. Worst case he found a backup plan.
Dude, we were with?
Yes.
Is that after he left us?
I know. I better be checking my phone. But guys, we made it. We made it. We made it. So day one, I'm gonna make 5 videos out of this, I think. So I'm gonna do one of each day, and then I'm gonna put one big one together. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Look at the Beamers at the house. Wow, guys, check this out. Awesome Airbnb. Plenty of bedrooms, plenty of room. There's upstairs, there's rooms down here. Hot tub, pool. beautiful sun. No lie, I don't want to. I don't think I'm gonna want to go home, Parker. I'm not gonna want to go home, dude. We can play beer pong. Hopefully your parents aren't watching this. This is a nice biodome.
We've made it to the estate.
The neighbors are playing V's.
They're playing VZ.
They're playing V's,
They're playing
dude.
not a drill right now. This is amazing.
Dude.
I love life.
Oh man.
The plastic ping pong.
Guys, this upstairs blew my mind. It's freaking ginormous. Pause. Look. Pool table, TV, bedroom, bathroom. Bathroom over here, another bedroom. Oh, it doesn't end. Bedroom, bedroom, and then it gets even better. Big bedroom, big bathroom.
But wait, there's more.
There is, man, look. Huge bedroom, huge bathroom. I'm not suddenly worried about my broken lip anymore. Last year, I slept on the floor.
Fuck that.
I had a hotel room, I just kept getting drunk at the other people's house.
Are we all just moving in and staying here for the rest?
Dude, just imagine if you had all the money, like you just do this whenever.
I'd be so down.
What are you doing? The house is this way.
Those intakes are all...
Complain about the color, it's different. So this blue is different than this blue. I think you're probably gonna need to spend some money to fix that.
This car is probably a salvage title and I just don't even know it. Yes, he's here! The road only claimed 2 victims today and it was me and you.
That sucked.
Dude, oh my God.
I'm so sorry.
Razor blade. I'm lucky they got to patch it.
Dude, no shit.
That's what happens when you go to Florida. You get razor blades in your
Right? You guys were able to get inside or no?
Yes.
It's 9:45.
Parker Boyd.
I've been in the car for 10 hours, probably.
No,
11,
more than that, yeah.
12. I'm exhausted.
Parker Boyd tired. Hunter Boyd tired.
Dead.
John Boyd tired. Ryan dude tired.
4:45 this morning.
Oh my God, dude. I didn't sleep at all. So I'm actually about to die.
Before you die, wipe your ass.
Needed my wet wipes. Sensitive. Okay. All right, so guys, first day done. First day is done.
First day's always the last day.
More content for you tomorrow, and this beautiful fucker tired.
So tired.
But we'll catch you tomorrow.